Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. I'm just reading the paper thanks to all the free time that I have with my new Maytag 9000 dishwasher. It has saved me so much time. I can read the paper, something I've barely been able to do. With all this free time, I don't even know what to do. Now, even my son Clint can do the dishes. He used to have trouble. Oh, man! It's so difficult. But now it's a breeze.
I've lost all ambition for worldly acclaim.
Wow, I've never seen dishes this clean. Good job, Clint. Thanks, Dad.
Maytag Dishwashers, bringing families together.
Admission that you feel the same.